What's up guys, it's your boy Jifty here, back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna review this Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing right here, sent to me by Mark all the way from Germany. Thanks for sending me this car, Mark. This is a really cool car. Check this out. So Gullwing Mercedes, oh man, this is one of the coolest classic cars ever. And so look at that, he has a nice blue paint. It has plastic tires. For a moment I thought he had rubber tires, but they are plastic, and of course it's Gullwing, right? So obviously Siku, yeah, this is by Siku right there. Here's the base. Had to make, you know, Siku, they like to make a lot of moving features on their cars, which is one of the things that I really like about Siku. Check it out, opening Gullwing doors, and you can see the interior with the steering wheel and the seats right there. Very nice touch. Let's go ahead and close them up. Although to an extent they kind of ruined the look of the car. You can see the gap between the door and the paneling around the door is quite rather large, as I would assume that Siku needs it to be. So it kind of spoils the image of the car a bit. But I love opening features, so I would rather have the opening features that ruins the car's image a little bit than to have no opening features at all. So I wanted to add that in. So on the front we get front light lamp post, a Mercedes emblem, and a front bumper which is part of a metal base. So yeah, this is a metal base and it's quite heavy. And on the rear, no more light lamp post, but we do get this Mercedes logo right here. And what's really cool quirks and feature about this Mercedes logo is that it's not just printed on the car. It's actually like a solid piece. It's actually like elevated as it's elevated. It's slightly higher than the body of the car, if you guys get what I'm saying. It's like not a flat piece of decal, it's actually a real badge. And Siku, nice job. On the rear, there's also supposed to be a rear bumper, which sadly has chipped off. Only the one on the right is left, but yeah, there's supposed to be a whole bumper right there. But yeah, that's pretty much the 300 SL. And ignoring the bumper on the rear, you know, like the broken bumper, I'm really fascinated by this detail right there. And the doors, Gullwing doors, not all of diecast manufacturers make that. I know Tomica has one as well, but other than Tomica and Siku, no one else did it. So overall, pretty cool car. This kind of sucks that the spacing between the paneling is quite big and there's no rubber tires. You know, if car is metal and metal, I think it would be nice to just have rubber tires. Still pretty cool. I'll give this car a nice 39 out of 10.